Starting a new hobby can be a fun and rewarding experience, but it can also feel overwhelming and daunting. Here are some tips to help make starting a new hobby as easy as possible. Number 1. Identify your interest. It's crucial to recognize your passions and interests so you may start a new pastime with ease. Spending some time reflecting on your interests and activities that naturally draw you can help you achieve this. This could involve activities like painting, singing, cooking, or trekking. It's crucial to explore your possibilities after determining your interest. The internet is a terrific place to learn about hobbies, including online resources, seminars, workshops, etc. in your areas, and community organizations that provide chances to pursue your activity. You may discover more about what is available and select a pastime that fits your interest and is doable for you by taking the time to investigate your possibilities. Starting small is also crucial when taking up a new pastime. This entails picking a hobby that is simple to start with and doesn't demand a big investment in tools or materials. For instance, before spending money on pricey art tools, try drawing with a simple sketch pad or a pencil art. As you hone your skills, this might help you gain confidence and momentum. Another element of successfully beginning a new pastime is setting an attainable goal. You may keep yourself motivated by making small attainable goals and tracking your progress. Start by establishing short-term objectives that you can achieve, like finishing a simple project or picking up a new skill. You may gain confidence and momentum as a result. Number 2. Research your options. It's crucial to have the appropriate mindset while beginning a new pastime. Put less pressure on yourself to do it flawlessly right away. Keep in mind that the goal of beginning a new pastime is to enjoy the experience and discover something new. Making errors and growing from them is okay. Search for the group of people who share your interest as a new hobby starter. This might be a neighborhood club or a group, an internet discussion forum, or social media community. Having a helpful network can be beneficial or gaining suggestions, criticism, and encouragement. It can also be a terrific method to make a new friends who have similar interest to your own. It's also critical to have the appropriate tools and materials for your activity. This doesn't require you to immediately run out and get the most expensive equipment, though. Start with the fundamentals and progress as you gain experience and passion for your pastime. Other strategies to save money include purchasing used goods or borrowing them from friends. Be open to attempt new things. In another piece of advice for beginning a new pastime, never be hesitant to venture beyond your comfort zone and investigate new facets of your pastime. This can assist you in developing new abilities and discovering novel pastime. Additionally, it's crucial to maintain an open mind and be prepared to learn from others, whether through online classes, workshops, or tutorial. Number 3. Start small. Making a new activity a regular part of your routine is another crucial step. This entails scheduling a certain time every day, every week, or every 2 weeks to devote to your activity. You may stay dedicated to your aim of improving your talent and having fun in the process by giving your interest top attention. Additionally, it's critical to take pauses and prevent burnout. Don't overwork yourself or feel bad for taking a break. Resting and recharging can help you advance in your interest, so take advantage of this. You might return to your activity with new inspiration thanks to it. It's also beneficial to monitor your development and recognize your accomplishments. Keep track of your accomplishments, such as finishing a project, picking up a new skill, or getting through a difficulty. You can use this to keep motivated and gauge your progress in your interest. A final piece of advice for beginning a new pastime is to look for comments and help criticism. Request opinions from people in your neighborhood or who have experience in your activity. This might provide you with idea for new projects or strategies to explore, as well as areas that need work. Number 4. Set achievable goals. Setting realistic expectations for yourself is another suggestion for beginning a new hobby. Expecting to become an expert or produce work of art straight immediately is unrealistic. Developing your abilities and advancing your craft require time, perseverance, and practice. You can gauge your progress and maintain motivation by setting realistic goals. Researching and educating yourself about your pastime is crucial. To learn more about your hobby and its practices, read books, watch online tutorials, and enroll in classes. This can aid in your skills development and help you understand your activity better. In your activity, it's also necessary to experiment and attempt new things. Never be scared to experiment with new materials or procedures. This can assist you in creating projects that are one of a kind and show your personality. Maintaining order and keeping your hobby materials organized is another piece of advice. This can assist you in maintaining focus and preventing feeling overloaded. This can keep your supplies out and pick up just where you left off if you have a designated workspace or area for your activity. Number 5. Practice regularly. Having joy with your new hobby is crucial when beginning it. Remember that having a hobby is a way to relax and express your creativity. It's crucial to maintain a healthy sense of humor and keep in mind that making mistakes is acceptable. Taking vacations from your pastime, pursuing other hobbies might also be beneficial. By doing this, you can avoid burning out and return to your interest with new inspiration and increase motivation. Another suggestion is to let people enjoy passion. This can be a fantastic opportunity to meet people who have a similar interest to yours. Get comments, receive supports, join a neighborhood organization or club, post your work on social media, or even start a class to teach others about your hobby. Finally, keep in mind that a pastime need not to be expensive. Hobbies like writing, reading, hiking, and other outdoor activities can all be enjoyed without breaking the bank. Finding a hobby that works with your spending and lifestyle is crucial. So, starting a new hobby is a thrilling and satisfying experience that everyone should try at least once in their life. I haven't started yet. Sorry. It's a fantastic way to explore new interests, improve skills, and meet new people. However, the idea of starting a new hobby may appear overwhelming, especially if you are not sure where to start. Nevertheless, the previous 5 tips can help you get started with ease. Identifying your interest, researching your options, starting small, setting achievable goals, and practicing regularly are all important steps to beginning a new hobby. Remember to have fun. Be open to new experience and embrace the learning process, and you will be surprised at how far you have come. With these tips in mind, you will be well on your way to uncovering the joy and excitement of starting a new hobby. So, we can say that starting a new hobby is not a difficult task. It's easy. I hope you liked today's video. If yes, then please give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my efforts. Good luck and stay safe.